Hi, I'm Milena, VP of Marketing at LeadDelta, and today I'm going to show you how to use LeadDelta to update your connections, what is the difference between sync and update, and what are the limits you should know about. Now, let's get started. When you first sign up for LeadDelta, you will get a pop-up to give us consent to sync your first-degree LinkedIn connections inside LeadDelta. Our system will then import all your first-degree connections into your account. You will be able to see them in the Connections tab. Once the connections are synced, the update will start. This is an automated process, and what it means is that once your connections are updated, you will be able to see additional information such as headline and job title, company, email address, and phone number if your connections have that info inside their LinkedIn accounts. When you first join, and especially when the update is still running, you will see a difference in the numbers in the top right corner. Don't get confused. The first number you see is the overall number of your first-degree connections inside LinkedIn. On the other hand, the number next to it will be lower to begin with because this number represents the number of updated connections. Note that if connections are not fully updated when filtering, will not include those connections in the results. Our system is updating connections in random increments daily. The max number you will be able to update when you first sign up is 100 connections per day. You can manage that number in the settings page. Go to the top right corner, click on your image, and then settings. And here it is, a background update. As you can see, it's automatically set to 100, and you can change that as you go. Now, let's talk a bit about this limit. 100 connection is the safest limit for most of our users. However, this number also depends on your overall usage of your LinkedIn account. If you're not using your LinkedIn often and days pass without you going into your LinkedIn account, this number should be down. For irregular users, we recommend lowering it down to 20 to 50 connections per day. If you're a moderate LinkedIn user, in that case, anywhere between 75 and 100 connections per day is a safe limit. If you're a power user and do a lot of actions inside LinkedIn daily, then you can increase this to up to 150 connections per day. You can also turn off the auto update. This means that connections won't be updated automatically until this is turned on again. If you're connecting with new people on a daily or weekly level, you can make sure those connections are getting imported into the system. By clicking on the sync button, every once in a while, your new connections will appear on the screen. They will be labeled with a new connection tag. And this button will be disabled for the next 15 minutes. This is another limit, since it's not recommendable clicking this button too many times. Once or twice per day is more than enough, even if you are connecting with new people daily. Finally, you can also update individual connections manually when you need someone's contact info immediately. These manual updates count towards the daily limit. Simply click Update for the connection whose profile you want to update. Thank you for watching. For more information, check our website at LeadDelta.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support at support@LeadDelta.com. Thank you.